For decades, we've all been told that certain oils are heart healthy. Vegetable oils, canola, sunflower, soybean. These names sound safe, even beneficial. You've seen them in grocery stores, on the shelves with shiny labels screaming cholesterol-free or supports heart health. Here's the harsh truth most people never hear. One of these commonly used oils is quietly destroying your arteries every time you cook. The problem isn't fat itself, it's what happens during processing. Most vegetable and seed oils are extracted using heat, chemicals, and deodorization. Steps make the oil shelf-stable and odorless, perfect for commercial use. But they also change the oil's chemistry in a way your body doesn't recognize. When you pour this oil into a pan, heat it for cooking, or eat it in processed snacks, it becomes highly unstable and forms toxic compounds. Compounds trigger inflammation inside your arteries. You don't see it, you don't feel it, but your arterial walls start to become rough. Body reacts instinctively. Cholesterol rushes in to patch these irritated areas, forming plaque over time. This is how heart-healthy oils can slowly narrow your arteries, reduce blood flow, and increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. And here's what makes it even more dangerous. This oil isn't just in your kitchen. It's in fried foods, margarine, mayonnaise, pastries, chips, samosas, parathas from hotels. Even the foods that look healthy sometimes contain it. That's why some people eat a clean diet, avoid red meat, and exercise, yet still develop clogged arteries. Science behind this is compelling. Studies have shown that regular consumption of highly processed seed oils increases markers of inflammation and oxidation in the body, both of which accelerate arterial damage. Oils themselves are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which are not inherently bad, but when consumed in extreme amounts without balance from omega-3s, they can tip the scale toward chronic inflammation. Don't panic yet. Understanding the risk is the first step. Many people continue eating these oils out of habit because they believe it's supposed to be healthy. Marketing makes it seem safe, but your arteries don't care about marketing. They respond to chemical changes and inflammation. In part 2, we'll break down exactly which oils to avoid, which ones are safer, and how even small changes in cooking can make a huge difference for your heart. Let's get into the specifics. The oils that most experts now warn against include canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. These are highly processed, packed with omega-6 fatty acids, and prone to oxidation when heated. Oxidation is key here. It means the oil's molecules break down, creating free radicals that attack your arteries from the inside. Over time, this leads to thickened arteries, plaque buildup, and reduced elasticity, making your heart work harder with every beat. It's not just your arteries. These oils also affect your blood flow, clotting mechanisms, and even cholesterol balance. The more frequently you consume them, the more your body struggles to maintain healthy circulation. You might not notice immediate effect, but your risk of heart attack, stroke, and high blood pressure increases quietly over years. Now, what should you do instead? First, replace unstable seed oils with stable cooking oils. Olive oil is excellent for low-heat cooking and salads. Avocado oil handles medium heat. Desi ghee or coconut oil is ideal for high-heat traditional cooking. These oils are less processed, more stable, and less likely to create harmful compounds when heated. Second, read labels carefully. Even snacks and baked goods may contain hidden seed oils. This is especially important for processed or packaged foods. Many people unknowingly consume these oils in fast foods, biscuits, and even store-bought parathas, thinking they're harmless. Third, reduce frying and high-heat cooking whenever possible. Cooking, steaming, or sautéing with safer oils reduces oxidation and preserves nutritional integrity. Simple cooking adjustments can have long-term benefits for your heart health. Finally, the evidence is clear. Cutting out these dangerous oils and replacing them with stable alternatives reduces inflammation, improves blood flow, and protects your arteries. Not just avoiding harm, you're actively supporting your heart's long-term health. In part 3, we'll cover real-life tips, meal swaps, and the most common mistakes even health-conscious will make so you can immediately start protecting your heart. Put this into action. If you're serious about protecting your heart, here's what you need to do. Audit your kitchen. Check every bottle, jar, and package for canola, soybean, corn, or sunflower oil. Remove or replace them with safer alternatives. Cook smart. Use olive oil for salads, avocado oil for sautéing, and ghee or coconut oil for frying. These oils are more stable under heat and won't produce harmful compounds that attack your arteries. For us, we think processed snacks, chips, biscuits, bakery items, even frozen foods often contain hidden seed oils. Them as rare indulgences rather than daily staples. Or balance your omega-3s and omega-6s. Include sources of omega-3 fatty acids such as flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, or fatty fish. Balancing these fats helps reduce chronic inflammation. Third, be mindful of portion sizes. Even healthy oils can add up. Moderate your intake to avoid excessive calories and fat. The truth is, your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Don't let hidden, healthy oils sabotage that. By making these changes, you not only protect your arteries but also improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support long-term cardiovascular health. Remember, this is not just about cutting out bad oils, it's about creating a heart-friendly cooking routine. Every small adjustment adds up. Start by replacing one oil, swapping one snack, or cooking with safer alternatives. Gradually, these small steps compound into a massive benefit for your arteries are not replaceable, but your oil choices are. Make the switch today, and your future self, your heart, your energy, your life will thank you. Don't wait until it's too late. Inflammation, plaque buildup, and arterial damage happen silently. Protect your heart now, and you can continue enjoying meals without hidden risks sabotaging your health. If you found this information useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss life-saving tips. Share this with friends and family. Your heart health could literally depend on it.